walking towards my room. It's like a cottage style. And my room is 310. And actually this time is a little bit higher up, but then you can still see the beach in a way. And then hear the ocean breeze. And this is the terrace. The trees are growing up, so it kind of blocks the view, but actually you can hear the breeze. So walking in. So this is a very comfortable bedroom. Again, you know, you can see the beach, but again, like kind of blocked by the tall trees, but it's okay. And then this is the welcome fruit and welcome card from the hotel. And this is the nice bench that you can sit on reading. And then the work area. And then back to the very comfortable sleeping area, the bedroom. And then it always got a very nice bathroom. It has the sun hat and the beach bag that you can check out to the beach. And then also the rain shower and the walk-in closet area. So it's like a small cottage, although there's no pool or anything, but that terrace has 2 day bed that you can sit there and then watch the beach as the day goes by. So this is the Surin Phuket.